Hi and welcome to this lesson. You're going to learn about Terraform versioning. We have touched on it before, but it's a key concept and it's used by both modules and providers. So let's have a look. So if we see the equal sign, that is the exact version. So if you had equal to 2.9.0, it would only use that version. Can have a version not equal. Quite rare that you would see this, but one to be aware of. These operators here are the most common ones. So we have greater than or equal, less than, and less than or equal to. This is a really interesting name for an operator, the pessimistic constraint operator. So this is kind of an interesting one, and one we've touched on, again from the Helm course, you may have seen this, where you would combine the operators above. So as the example here shows, tilde right angle bracket or greater than 0.9 means within 0.9 but less than 1.0. But you can have all the little incremental versions between, so 0.9.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, etc. If you want to find out more about versioning, I'll include a link to the documentation. That wraps up this lesson. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you want to learn Terraform in depth with hands-on challenges and even get certified, make sure to go to warp-9.com.